Ki sanut ki MLA jong ke parti Kongres Meghalaya, menta kesengi ke pratarik urumpang arajar arpuar, kila shimia karai ban aye ke jingkersian ya ke Sorkar MDA, ke bolong hapo ke jingilam jong ke parti NPP. Kene ke jinglet Pyniasoh jong kini ki MLA na keseng Kongres ya ke Sorkar MDA, kalongkum ke jingkersian ya kene ke Sorkar na ke pentaban yo ya ke jingmentoy ya ki pajba ke jela barok kawai, lapan pawai kong amperin lengdo kuminong ilam ke parti Kongres. Kini kinong ilam jong ke parti Kongres kila ong ba ke jing Pyniasoh bat ke Sorkar MDA ha kene ke kenti ke bamenta kalong ban penklan susu ya ke jing terikam jong ke Sorkar bat ru bat nai ke keti ke jing terilang bat ke Sorkar da ke kemi lentiru banwan rakyat shibun ke jing mentoy na ke benta kipat ba jong ke jelah. Nagaliang jong kini kinong ilam Kongres kila ai da ke jing tho show menteri rang ba ke Sorkar jelah Konrad K Sangma ha ka jing don lang jong ba presiden tensong ubadiu sembut menteri rang ba ke Sorkar jelah. Kini kinong ilam jong seng Kongres ki kentup ye kong amperin lengdo, uba PT Saukumi, uba Meral Bons Im, uba Kimfa Marbanyang, bat uba Mohendro Rapsang.
You have seen the disclosures of politics in the state. We know who is B team of who and C team of who. Right now we are protecting each other's interests. We have five. We told you we are the famous five. We will take decisions as per our own interpretation. Right now, we have jointly signed, we are together, we will take care of each other. Because at the end of the day, usually there is a big distance between us and those who dictate to us. By example, we are showing the people of the state of Meghalaya that no other external force will decide for us. We are the fight, we will decide. We will not preempt. We went as a CLP to support the MDA. Leave it at that. The speculations will not reach us anyway. We feel as elected representatives that we have a right to do what we think is best for us, the five. And that is how we have come to this decision. And we expect the High Command, the party, to listen to us. Because we are the elected members, we are the ones going for elections, we are the one feeling the brunt of this confusion by anyone. We have no idea, we are not privy to those discussions. We go as a CLP to seek justice for our constituency. That's our politics. We have not gotten to that level of asking them who are your partners. We have been out of the government for 4 years. We will allow this government to tell us because we have no clarity on those matters. We are not privy to any of their discussions and dialogues. We just want to see our constituencies receiving the attention they deserve.